Facebook is now the new money-making machines for a lot of content creators out there, mostly those of you who haven't given a try to YouTube before. But then, not using the right Facebook profile in terms of monetization can actually prevent you from making money from Facebook. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can create a Facebook page that is qualified for monetization and things you should do in order to make sure that that page gets monetized, because a little mistake you do whilst creating your page could actually hurt your growth and then also prevent you from getting your account monetized on time. So if you are here because you want to learn how you can actually create a Facebook page that you monetize, then I advise you to watch this video to the very end as I share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually do this, whether on your phone or on your computer. So with this already said, hello guys, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can actually make money through content creation. And if you find this helpful, please kindly do it to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also share this video to help us reach more people as well. So that already said, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you how you can create a Facebook page that is qualified for monetization.
So hello guys, now that you're on my laptop, let me actually take you straight and I share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can create a Facebook page that is actually qualified to be monetized, and how you can, and some rules you need to put in place in order to make sure that you are getting decent amount of engagement on your videos when you finally start uploading videos. So now let's get straight to work. Now, one big mistake a lot of you make is that a lot of you tends to upload create videos and then upload them on your personal profile. The truth is that the chance of you monetizing your personal profile is less than 20%. So personally, I wouldn't advise you to do that. Now, here is my personal profile that I attend to a professional page. I have about 2,900 followers already, and I do upload videos here. I get some decent 271 plays and all of this. But then the videos I upload here are not videos that I want to monetize, because I know that the chance of me monetizing my personal profile is very less. So now let me take you straight and I share with you how you can actually create a monetizable page. So now the first thing you need to do is that click on this menu icon here. Now for those of you who are actually using your phone to create it, all you simply have to do is click on your profile icon, and then you are going to see a drop down menu, a open up tab like this as well. Now once you come over to this tab, simply click on where it says page. Now once you click on page, over here now on your mobile phone also is going to look like this, even though the interface might be different, but the whole appearance will still be in this form. So there's no big difference. Now here you need to put in your page name. Now when using your page name, you can use any name at all. You can decide to use your full name, or you can decide to use something else depending on the type. So if you are someone who is not coming to create videos about yourself, I would advise you probably use the, like if you want to create football videos, maybe you could consider adding football to the to your name or something like if I wanted to do videos about football only, I would do something like Perez Football, or just something in a way that when people search for things related to that, I'm actually going to appear on the feed instead of using your full name. But if you are coming to do content that fully focuses on your full name, that fully focuses about you, things you do on your daily basis, then you can actually use your name for it. You can use your full name for that. Now for this page, let me go with, for example, let me say I want to do it for just football. So let me just say Perez Football. So I just put it like Perez Football. Now category. Now over here, our advice to put, since you are coming to create content, the advice I have for you is that set it to digital creator. Just keep it here as digital creator, and then your bio, this should be a little bit information. Like our advice is to write something on it. This should be a little bit information about whatever thing you're actually coming to deliver to your audience on the page. So you can just say all football highlights and this and that. I already have a page that I will use for football highlights once the league resumes, so I'm not creating this one to use for anything. I'm going to delete it after I'm done with the video, because I already have a lot of pages attached to my profile. So now you can just put anything here that explains whatever thing you're coming to do on the page. If you're coming to talk about yourself, let them know that you're coming to talk about yourself. So that aside, now you've actually understood every single thing I'm coming to do here. So once you are done with all those information, now click on create page. So for me, I'm not going to put anything on the bio because I'm going to delete this page, as I'm not going to use it for anything. I already have a lot of pages. Now over here, if you have a website, you can actually put your website in here, and you can also put your phone number here as well. So my personal pages, I normally put my phone number and all of that. You can put your email and all of that. Now the reason why I'm putting all of these sort of things is that in case someone wants to contact you for sponsorship and all of that, it will be easier for them to actually contact you for it. But in case you don't care about all of those things, then you can actually get rid of it. Like for example, if you check out this video description, I actually have my WhatsApp link there. That is only for sponsorship and then mentorship related contact. And then even on my profile, if you check my YouTube profile, you can see that I have linked to a lot of social media handles that I personally use to make it easy for people to actually contact you. So that same thing also applies to Facebook. So for example, over here, business hours, you are just going to set it as no hours or just keep it as always open, because you are not coming to do business, you are coming to create content. After that, you can hit on the next button. Now over here, you need to upload a profile picture. So you can, if you are doing something related to football, you can get a football video. Or for example, I'm not even sure I have a picture of myself on here. I'm not really sure because there's no single picture in here. So for example, let me just take any random picture for it. I'm going to delete it later on. So this one will be our profile picture, and then over here you can add your cover photo. Let me just take this image and use it as a cover photo, which is your background and the one you have like this. So that's just my YouTube thumbnail. After that, if you have a YouTube channel or any other social media handle, most importantly YouTube channel, you can just click here, add a button, and then just come over here and then look for where it says learn more. So you can go over to learn more here, or you can, okay, for YouTube, this is the one I always advise, watch now. Just accept this watch now, and then now use the watch now button for it. Once you use that watch now button, once you are done with the page, you're actually going to customize it, and then you put your YouTube link in there, and then to make it easier for people to actually click from there to go watch your YouTube videos. That will actually help you get attention. So for example, watch now, and then hit on the next button here, and then here you add your YouTube channel link, so that people who want to watch more of your videos can just click on it to go watch it on your YouTube channel. So it's a win-win situation. Now after that, hit on the next button here. Now over here, connect WhatsApp to your page. You can do this or you can skip it. Now invite your friends. Now here's one thing I advise you to do. Do not, I repeat, do not invite your friends to your page. You are coming to create content to get monetized. You are not coming to create a family reunion. So do not invite your friends to come over to your page. Skip this step. The reason why I say you should skip it is that just be like, you just want to be anonymous, and then even though you are using your real name and all of that, you just want to be away from those set of people, because not everyone on your feed is actually going to watch your videos. So it's better you start from scratch and let people who watch your videos use their hand to follow you if they like your content, instead of inviting your people from your profile to come and do that. So for that, just hit on done. Now this is the approach you actually follow to create a monetizable Facebook page. Now you can just take a turn. If you are new to Facebook page, you can take a turn. For me, I'm already used to everything, so I'm not going to take a turn. Now this is how you create a monetizable Facebook page. Now that you've created a page, now here's one advice I have for you. Before you create your Facebook page, I'm just showing you this how to create a page and later on, but before you consider creating a Facebook page, here's the advice I have for you. Make sure you have up to 5 to 10 videos already ready within that topic you want to talk about. Yes, you heard me right. Make sure you've prepared 5 to 10 videos down. Now the reason why you need to prepare up to 5 to 10 videos is that immediately you create your channel like this, your page like this, you need to upload those videos back to back consistently, at least once a day, one a day, or one in the morning, one in the evening, one in the morning. Spread it like that. You just have to at least you upload at least for that first 5 days of creating your page. Make sure that your page doesn't rest with videos. So you need to do this to let the system know that what you are coming here to create videos and then get monetized. You need to let them know that you are serious with the page you are creating. By that, you're actually going to get more engagement really faster. So this is just a secret thing I'm letting you in. Make sure you have some videos already prepared before you create your page. So if you follow this video and then you rush to create a page without having videos ready, kindly delete it. You are going to do that later. So now this is how you get to create a page. Now here's another advice I have for you. When you are creating a Facebook page to be monetized, reduce the way you upload images. Yes, you heard me right. Reduce the rate at which you upload images. Now the reason why I say you should reduce this is that if you upload more images than videos, they are going to see your page as a more of a discussion page or more of an image-based page. So your videos are not going to get a lot of attention. So reduce that, and also reduce your test posts. Upload more of normal videos and reels in order to actually get your page to reach the right audience that you are actually looking for. Now this is simply how you can actually create a monetizable Facebook page, and I've given you all the instructions that you actually need. Now, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel that in the comment section. Now, for bonus, in case you have an Instagram profile as well, you can just click here to connect your Facebook page to your Instagram handle so that your videos will get cross-post to both platforms. So once you post on Facebook, they go to Instagram as well. So at the same time, you get to reach more audience from both platforms. Now, with this already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. And for those of you who want to learn more about content creation from me, you can actually contact me with the link that will be available in this video description as well. So if you need me to create more videos around Facebook and then other social media monetization, you can also request it down in this comment section, and I'm going to attend to it. So with that already said, have a nice day. Bye.